If there is one leadership expert that I absolutely love, who's written more books on leadership and is a wealth of knowledge in the space, it is John Maxwell. I recently heard him speak at a conference and he talked about the mindset shift when you go from starting something to being an expert in that area. It can be related to so many aspects of life, especially around maintenance goals. When we start our journey, like a health and wellness journey, we're so focused around how long will it take. If I want to lose 20 pounds, I know that 1 pound per week is realistic weight loss. It'll take me 20 weeks to get there. So let's fast forward 20 weeks. I reached the goal. What happens next? Is it a check mark? I'm done, and then all of the habits that I got to get there are out the window? Gosh, I hope not. I hope that's what we turn into maintenance. He talked about this mindset shift. Are you ready for it? You go from how long will it take to how far can I go? Why do we have a self-imposed finish line? For many of our clients who initially come to us to lose weight, once they reach that weight loss goal, it might shift to a performance goal. Or maybe we realize that our nutrition is dialed in now, but there's these other areas in life that we need some accountability and support. At Healthy Steps Nutrition, we have a holistic framework looking at nutrition, stress, sleep, mindset, support system, and lifestyle. Many of our clients have been with us for years. Is there anything magical happening in those sessions? Are we teaching them new nutrition information 3-4 years later? Maybe, but not necessarily. They understand the value of accountability. They understand the importance of creating space to help them reach their health and wellness goals and having a coach to help them fast track their ability to do so. They know that with the busyness of life, their health and wellness goals can easily be put to the back burner if they're not intentional in spending time taking one step to reach those goals. They go from how long will it take to how far can I go? So where are you on your health and wellness journey? You might be doing really good with nutrition now, but reassess those other areas. Maybe you were really good with stress management, but right now we're in a season that's pretty stressful and you could use a coach to keep you accountable in that area. So don't think of your goals as a check mark, you reached it and then it's on to the next thing. Think of it more as a continuum where you're taking one step at a time to become the best and healthiest version of yourself.